Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the expanded form of the given number, and after that how to represent that expanded form in the exponent forms. Okay. So I am going to take one example and explain. Okay. So here I am taking take as an example. 3456. First of all, how to write this number into expanded form? All of you know about the expanded forms. How to write the expanded forms? You already learned in the previous classes. Okay. So coming to the number, what is the given number? 3456. Now write the expanded form of this 3456. 3 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 6. Okay, this is the expanded form of the given number. Yes? Yes or no? Yes, this is the expanded form of the given number. So, otherwise write, keep practice. Okay, like this. Okay? 6 into 1. Understood? Okay, now coming to the next part. Coming to the exponent forms, how to write 1000? 1000 ఎలా రాయొచ్చు exponents forms లో 10 into 10 into 10. How many times? 3 times. 10 power 3 is equal to 1000. Yes. Next plus 4. 100 means 10 power 2. 10 tens are 100. Next 5 into 10 only. Next plus 6 into here. Now 1 means 10 power 0. 10 power 0 is 1. 10 power 0 is nothing but 1. This is the exponent form for 1000, 100, 10 and 1. Okay, 1000 means 10 power 3, 100 means 10 power 2, 10 means 10 power 1 only. Here 1 means 10 power 0. Okay, understood all of you up to here? Clear? This is the way how to find out the exponent forms. How to find out the expanded form and that expanded form written in the exponent powers and exponents. Okay, take any numbers now, you have to find out the exponent forms of the given number. Okay, then suppose here this is the total whole number only. Yes, decimal, not decimal number. Where if in the given number decimal number is there, means then how to find out the exponent forms. Okay, how to find out the expanded form and how to convert that expanded form into exponent forms. Okay, see here I am going to take one more example here. In your textbook only there, that example. See 326.57. Okay, nothing is there. First of all, write down that one into directly 3 into 100 s plus 2 into 10 plus 6 into 1. Up to here all of you know. After decimal point is there, means keep plus only. After decimal point, what is the first value? It will become 10th part of the given number. Yes, 10th part of the given number. The next one is the 100th part of the given number. So 10th part of the given number means 5 by 10. Okay, next 100th part of the given number means 7 by 100. This is the expanded form of the given number. Now convert this expanded form of the given number into exponent forms means 3 into 100 means 10 power 2 plus 2 into 10 power 1 plus 6 into 10 power 0. Now tell me, it will become 5 by 10 power 1 plus 7 by 10 power 2. Okay, this is the way. So here listen ma, ikkada anni all are division only, but we are converting this division into normal form. Means what is the rule? Already we know a power minus m is equal to a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. Already we learned in the previous class. So see here, what is the rule ma? Here I am writing the rule. 1 by a power m is equal to a power minus m. This is the rule. What is the rule? 1 by a power m is equal to a power minus m. Okay, apply this one to the division methods. Okay, remaining all same. 3 into 10 power 2 plus 2 into 10 power 1 plus 6 into 10 power 0 Now tell me, it will become plus 5 into 10 power. Here 5 means constant thing is 1 by a power m. A power m means here 10 power 1. 10 power 1 ఏమవుతుంది? a power minus m means 10 power minus 1 plus 7 into 10 power minus 2. It will become, it is converted to minus values after decimal values. So in decimal values we represent the values in a minus form. Understood all of you? This is the expanded form of the given decimals, given decimal numbers and given whole numbers. All of you understood these two methods? This is for a whole number and this one is for a division decimal number. Understood all of you? So here page number 87, do this is there, ma. Page number 87, do this is there. Expand the following numbers using exponents. Expand the following numbers using exponents. Here 4 questions are there. Same method, ma. Use this method. Second method, all are having a decimal numbers in your sums. So use this method and complete those 4 questions yourself. Okay. Next, law of exponents is there. That law of exponents I am going to explain in next class, ma, because here from here onwards some formulas we are having. Okay, కొన్ని formulas మనకి వస్తాయి అన్నమాట. So I am going to explain each and every one by one, ma. Here nothing is there, ma. Already I told you a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. Here already I told you a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. Where this one I am explaining in the next class briefly again. Okay, based on this some examples also there. We are going to discuss about that examples also in next class. What is your work before that? Complete this, do this yourself. Okay, thank you.